Okay, so here is the prototype of my gimbal quad. It's a 330 size, motor to motor, about the same size as a Blackout 330. I've got this gimbal that I basically made out of 3D printed parts and G10. So you can see some of the ABS here. This was FDM printed by 3D Rapid Parts. I also have a Shapeways version, which is SLS laser printed, which is nylon, which is coming, and there'll be orange parts. But for right now, this will have to do. So you can see it's got a bearing support on this side, and then you got your motor here. RC timer motors are real cheap. They're like 11 bucks. It's just an experiment, so I figured they'll work. And they seem to be okay anyway, so hopefully they'll last a while. As you can see, I haven't quite got balanced yet. Probably going to have to redesign something here, because the keeping it compact and trying to get it to balance is going to be difficult. But I might actually end up adding a little bit of weight to the side, which might be okay because I think my olive weight's going to be pretty low. Okay, so here comes the real test. We're going to go ahead and hook this gimbal up to a 3S Thunder Power battery. I'm using the Hobby King Alexmos licensed gimbal controller. It's 2-axis. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and I'll turn it back on once the gimbal's plugged in, because I need both my hands to do this. Okay, as you can see, there's a little red light blinking. Oh, guess it didn't like that. There we go. So I haven't really tuned it yet. I've just got the initial power settings in so that it levels out. You can see it turned on, it leveled out. I've got the battery hooked up, so it does work. I'm a bit concerned with it being unbalanced, how long I want to leave it running for, because obviously I have to have the power setting pretty high, especially on the roll axis, to keep it from falling over. And because of that, the gimbal control board will get warm, and so will the motor, because it's basically trying to hold the position. So it should be okay for some test flights, at least. But ultimately, getting it balanced is going to be important, because that'll make it run more efficiently and also increase the flight times, because I'm going to run everything off of one battery.